All right, here we go. Ah! Alright, here we go. We got 3 cards. It's always 3 cards, as y'all can tell. Every time you open a pack on NBA Top Shot, it will always be 3 cards that you get to open. So this is exciting. My camera's about to die, by the way, but hopefully, you know, it just makes it through the opening. Alright, so click to reveal. First pack, I got a block from... it's a block from Eric Bledsoe. Okay. It's a pretty cool moment right there. Look at that. Bow! It's pretty good. Eric Bledsoe is pretty legit. The serial number is 11,151 out of 15,000. Okay. I'll take it. And the New Orleans Pelicans got the W, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how much that one would be worth, but we're gonna check that out after. Alright, second card. Here we go. Ooh, it's a layup from the Lakers. It's Dennis Schroeder.
Honey, that's good.
Wow, Dennis Schroeder. By the way, my wife is German, if y'all didn't know. So this is good because Dennis Schroeder is also German. I like Dennis Schroeder, and the Los Angeles Lakers are my favorite NBA team. So I'm super glad I got you know, a Lakers moment. I want one from LeBron, but I'll take Dennis Schroeder. It's nice for my collection. All right, the final card. Here we go. I hope this one is from like a star or, I don't know, just like an up-and-coming rookie, an up-and-coming star. All right, here we go. All right, it's from OKC. It's a jump shot from Shai Gilgeous. Okay, so Shai Gilgeous, he's on the up-and-coming. So I actually like this card the most. But I'm excited. We're gonna see what he runs for, because I've been hearing about him. And yeah, he had 24 points, 9 assists, and 7 rebounds in that game. All right, so let's check it out. This is my pack. All right, here we go. All right, so let's see what notable pull. Because I have a low serial on that. That's nice. All right, so we're done here for the pack. So let's see what these are going for. Collection. That's where we need to go. My moments. All right, so as y'all can see, my collection is getting bigger and bigger. I got the Eric Bledsoe now. I got the Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Dennis Schroeder. So you know what? Since it said this is the most notable pull, I'm curious about Eric Bledsoe. The top sell is $1,005. So that means this Eric Bledsoe card could be $1,000 alone, right? And as I told y'all in the last episode, the more Eric Bledsoe develops and the better that he becomes, the more that you can absolutely get from this card. So this is huge. Look at this. The jersey number, the person that pulled a jersey number that is, you know, the same serial number is $5,555. That's insane. And look at that. The numbers kind of fluctuate, but I'm definitely in there. It is a very, very good card to own from what I can see. And again, my serial is actually, 11,151. But it's limited edition. The count is final. Only 15,000 people will have this card when it's said and done for Eric Bledsoe. So that is exciting. A card that could be worth, you know, $1,000. And then we got the Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. See what his is running for. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Lowest ask is $45. And the top sell is $3,000. Like I said, he's up and coming. So this is a great shot too, with only seconds to play left in regulation. So that's like a dagger. So that's a really crucial moment, because that was the end to the game. He basically sealed that game. So that's pretty crazy. So let's see if we scroll all the way down here. Look at how much this card can still go for. $5,000. Wow. Lowest ask is $45. So that is still, that's a nice card to own, because Shai Gilgeous, as I said, is on the up and coming, y'all. And then let's look at this Dennis Schroeder. Lowest ask is $33. Top sell is $4,000. That's the top sell. $4,000. And my serial on the Dennis Schroeder was 12,000. So let's just look in that range of 12,000. This is crazy. 12,000, 9,999. And it's the same thing. The more Dennis Schroeder develops, the more the card will be worth. Plus, all of these cards are limited edition. So once they're gone, they're gone. So definitely, I'm happy with this pull that I got. Can't believe that I have a card here for the Eric Bledsoe that is like worth 1,000 within this serial number. So that's insane. So yeah, that was the grand opening of this NFT NBA Top Shot pack.